What's up guys, it's David from DUCKCHAR, and today we're making Moulard Duck Breast in a Dutch oven with red potatoes, onions, garlic, and we're cooking it all in duck fat. First, we'll prep the DUCKCHAR Moulard Duck Breast. Score the skin, season with salt and pepper, and cook skin side down over moderately high heat for 4 minutes to get a golden caramel looking finish. As the duck cooks, ladle out the rendered duck fat and save it for later. Next, quickly brown the meat side and then allow DUCKCHAR to rest loosely covered with foil. Reduce the heat to moderately low, add back the rendered duck fat, and add thinly sliced sweet onion. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Cut the red potatoes into thin slices and dry each slice thoroughly. Increase the heat to moderately high, add the potatoes and cook until they start to brown. Then with a wooden spoon, gently lift up the potatoes and press down again to form a potato disc. Reduce the heat to moderately low. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. We'll keep reforming this potato disc as we add new ingredients. First salt and pepper, then a bay leaf, and lastly garlic and parsley. Cook each ingredient covered for 5 minutes before adding the next one. Finally, we're going to slice up the duck and put it back into the Dutch oven, turn up the heat to high, and cook for 5 minutes. After that, it's ready to serve. As you guys can see, this recipe is really simple and easy to make. There's just a few ingredients, but you get a really balanced, nice flavor that's perfect for this time of the year. What we really love is that you can serve it right out of the Dutch oven at the center of the table for everybody to gather around. If you have any comments or questions, comment below. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. That's it, that's all. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.